welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the second edition of the Middle East Insurance Industry Awards, organized by Middle East Insurance Review, together with the support of the DIFC and GEF. Many thanks to all of you for joining us here for this exciting evening of celebration in Dubai. My name is Preeti and I'm going to be your host for this amazing evening. The awards launched last year, modeled after the internationally acclaimed Asia Insurance Industry Awards, now into its 19th year, is fully transparent with defined criteria for the 16 categories. These awards seek to capture the spirit of excellence and showcase the outstanding talent in the MIIA's insurance industry. In the second Middle East Insurance Industry Awards, we have energized the same formula of partnering with the General Arab Insurance Federation and the Dubai International Financial Center, while keeping the whole process unbiased and fully transparent with defined criteria and independently audited results. This second year in saluting excellence has been even more heartening than the launch last year. We saw many bold and brave entries from the 280 nominations. One thing's for sure, the region is not short of professionals who are eager to go the extra mile for their companies. The qualifying period for the awards was between the 1st of April 2014 to the 31st of March 2015. Nominations began pouring in from April onwards. These are stars in the Middle East who need to be recognized and saluted. The backbone of the awards is the panel of 26 eminent judges with regional heavyweights, including the powerful leaders of GEF, FAIR, Emirates Insurance Association, and the new DIFC Insurance Association. It is their integrity and thought leadership that lend weight to the prestige of the awards. The judges worked tirelessly in 2 rounds of the selection process. The first round included reading and scoring, and the second where they met for intense discussions to choose the winner. The judges made their choice by secret ballot based on points system, with results tallied and audited by the independent auditor, EY. The results were kept under lock and key and will be revealed only tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, the judges are here tonight. Please join us in thanking them. They are Mr. Abdul Khaliq R. Khalil, Secretary General, GEF. Mr. Adil Munir, Secretary General, FAIR. Mr. Bahsel Hindawi, Chairman, CEO, DIFC Insurance Association. Mr. Farid Lutfi, Secretary General, Emirates Insurance Association. Mr. Akshay Randeva, Director, Strategy and Business Intelligence, Qatar Financial Center Authority. Mr. Kristen Vogel, CEO, Gulf Reinsurance. Mr. Fahad Al-Hasni, CEO, Saudi Reinsurance Company. Mr. Fateh Bekdash, Vice Chairman and General Manager, Arop Insurance. Mr. Hamam M. Badr, Chairman and Managing Director, Iskan Insurance Company. Mr. Mohammed Akub, CEO, Hannover Ritakaful. Mr. Mark Cooper, General Representative, Middle East, Lloyds of London. Mr. Mohammed El Dashish, CEO, Emirates Ritakaful. Mr. Michael Bitzer, CEO, National Health Insurance Company, Daman. Mr. Michael Jensen, Managing Director, MIIA, AIG Property Casualty. Mr. Robin Kevin Ali, Consultant, Health Funding Department, Dubai Health Authority. Mr. Ronald Chidiak, General Manager, Arab Reinsurance Company. Mr. Steve Dixon, Senior Advisor, ACE Overseas General. Mr. Waleed Janadri, former Head, Insurance Control Commission, Ministry of Economy and Trade, Lebanon. Mr. Yasser Al-Bahrana, CEO, Arab Insurance Group. Mr. Yunus Jamal Al-Sayed, Chief Executive, Takaful International Company. And the international judges comprising of Mr. Jeff Riddle, Advisor of Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa, Zurich. Mr. Kai V. Shantz, External Advisor, the Geneva Association. Mr. Michael Morrissey, President and CEO, International Insurance Society. Mr. Patrick Liedka, Managing Director and Head of Financial Institutions Group, MIIA, BlackRock. Mr. Peter Huger, CEO, Echo Reinsurance. And finally, Mr. Roger Selick, CEO, AM Best, EMEA and Asia Pacific. We would also like to take this opportunity to place on record our sincere appreciation to our valued sponsors, all of whom have sponsored the various categories of the awards. In alphabetical order, they are AIG, ARIG, Shadid Re, Echo Re, Emirates Re, Hanover Re, NextCare, RGA, Tejas, Trust Re, and Zurich. We would also like to say a special thank you to the Dubai Health Authority for their kind support. Without our sponsors, this event would not have been possible. Not to mention EY for acting as the auditor for the awards. We thank you all. The awards categories are set out on the menu cards in front of you, but for now, it's our pleasure to invite Mr. Sivam Subramaniam, Editor-in-Chief, Middle East Insurance Review and Asia Insurance Review, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you very much. A very good evening to all of you. Our guest of honor, Mr. Arif Amiri, CEO of the DIFC, our distinguished VIPs, the honorable judges of the second Middle East Insurance Industry Award, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen. The time to recognize and salute excellence is here upon us again, and we at Middle East Insurance Review are delighted to be a central and active part of this action. We have been actively serving the Middle East insurance industry for 9 long years now. It is therefore a very proud moment for me, having seen the ups and downs in the region, to actually come here to salute excellence. And today, we are here at this gala event, co-branded with the DIFC and GAIF, And the award's most important edge, as you heard, aside from the defined and transparent criteria and the independent audit, is of course the esteemed panel of 26 judges who have so valiantly lent their names to guarantee the integrity of the entire awards system. I owe a very big debt of gratitude to these 26 brave eminentaries, including the heads of the key associations in the region, GAIF, FAIR, Emirates Insurance Association, DIFC Insurance Association, who have all supported this endeavor. So a very big thank you to all of you, my dear honored judges. It was a lot of risk and hard work, but you responded to the challenge with flying colors and boosted the awards process and system. The awards is not just a science, but a mix of science and art and how the market felt about the players. It's not just about the largest company in the market or the most profitable in the market. It's really a feel-good factor about the candidate. We were really encouraged by the increasing number of entries to this year's awards, 280 as you heard. So it was quite a process trying to shortlist the finalists, as each of them indeed had a story to tell, though some were so much more eloquent than the others. But nonetheless, every entry did give us tremendous insights into the market and its promises. I congratulate all of them for daring to take part. The entry showed clearly that the Middle East is booming, and there are many companies and individuals out there who are going that extra mile to make a difference. The miles to go, but the journey has begun. And I believe the awards will actively spur the industry's march towards greater professionalism and higher standards. And it's really not just about winning. We will be tracking, at Middle East Insurance Review, we'll be tracking the actual winners over the entire year, 12 long months, to ensure that as winners, they are contributing back to the industry and the marketplace. They have the responsibility to convince the market that they are not just a one-night glory, that they are there as winners for the entire year. We shall monitor them, as will Al Bayan, the Arabic media partner of these awards. So winners, be warned, you will be under scrutiny. But for now, let's relax and enjoy the evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sivam. I would now like to invite Dr. Roger Selick, CEO, AM Best, MIIA and Asia Pacific, to address you on behalf of the judging panel.
Honourable guests, distinguished fellow judges, ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to be able to say just a few words here this evening on behalf of the panel of judges who really perform a crucial role in the awards process. The judges choose the winners, yet they do not know who the winners are until later tonight, along with everyone else here, when the results are announced. While we meet to discuss each of the finalists, we don't try to achieve a consensus. We rank the finalists according to our preferences, and the independent auditor, EY, collates the rankings to arrive at the winner lists. So the whole process is very transparent with defined criteria and is fully audited. It is a long and tedious process. As Sivam has just mentioned, it is not a science or just numbers. It depends on the art of the feel-good factor that the company creates, not only in its own marketplace, but also via its written submission for the awards. So I must thank the judges for their diligence and active cooperation. On behalf of the judges, I must also congratulate Middle East Insurance Review for organising and managing the whole awards process. There is an awful lot of paddling that goes on under the surface, and I really appreciate all of the work that the staff of Middle East Insurance Review performed through the whole year. Saluting excellence is undoubtedly positive for the industry. I thank Middle East Insurance Review for undertaking this Herculean task and must applaud the Middle East insurance industry generally in taking up the challenge to enter the competition boldly and with confidence. I congratulate the finalists and all the entries to the awards. The judges were impressed with several entries as outstanding or obvious winners in their respective categories. On behalf of the judging panel, I also want to congratulate all the nominees and encourage more insurance companies and aspiring winners to take part in next year's awards. I know I stand between you and dinner, but it would be remiss of me not to make the point that getting rated, ideally by AM Best, is also part of the path towards professionalism, higher standards and excellence. With that note, let's enjoy dinner before saluting the winners. Thank you very much.
Each employee as a part of the performance evaluation process. Its industry leadership also stood out through its innovation, not only in its products, but also in its use of social media and transparency in its selling process. A repeat winner, ladies and gentlemen, the Life Insurance Award of the Year goes to MetLife.
Ladies and gentlemen, to accept the award, please welcome Mr. Julio Garcia Villalon, Regional Head, Middle East and Africa, MetLife, Alico, Niassa.
Well, first of all, thank you very much for the judges. And thank you very much. I think I'm very privileged to get it in name of all my employees, all the employees of the company, all our distribution partners, and also for the trust of our clients. I think it's a privilege also for the commitment of MetLife to the region, more than 50 years in the region, and with the commitment to be more years delivering our promise of helping people pursue more for life. Thank you very much, everybody. Enjoy the evening.
Congratulations to MetLife. The second award is for General Insurance Company of the Year, sponsored by EcoRe. This award is presented to the company that has done the most to enhance the general insurance range of products and quality of service available to customers in the individual markets or the MENA region. Ladies and gentlemen, the finalists are AXA Insurance Gulf, Oman Insurance Company, and Zurich, Middle East. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Piotr Nowakowski, Chief Underwriting Officer, Eco Re.
Good evening. This year's winner stood out not only for investing in the customer experience through creativity, flexibility in service capabilities, and best-in-class solutions, but also for its strict underwriting discipline. Judges were particularly impressed with its e-commerce and e-servicing platform, which has improved the customer experience with online gross written premium jumping by more than 40% in 2014 and 14,600 quotes received per month. This year's General Insurance Company of the Year is AXA Insurance.
To receive the award, please welcome Mr. Cedric Charpentier, CEO, AXA Insurance Gulf. Congratulations, AXA Gulf. The third award of the evening is for Health Insurance Company of the Year, sponsored by NextCare with the support of the Dubai Health Authority. This award is for the company that has best provided access to the quality of healthcare in an efficient and financially sustainable manner through the medium of innovative health insurance products. The finalists are AXA Insurance Gulf, Bupa Arabia, and RAC Insurance. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Christian Gregorowitz, CEO, NextCare, and CEO, MIIA Alliance Global Assistance.
Good evening. The health insurer this year was awarded for its market leadership, demonstrated through comprehensive products and services, high retention rates, and efforts to raise health awareness. Its consistent and effective underwriting guidelines for each segment of business, individual, SME, and corporate, have enabled it to set the pace as well as differentiate itself from the competition while limiting volatility risk. Ladies and gentlemen, a double winner tonight. The Health Insurance Company of the Year is AXA Insurance Gulf.
To accept the award, please welcome Mr. Ghulam Mohammed Teli, Chief Officer, Health and Life, AXA Insurance Gulf.
Thank you. Thank you for all. Thank you to the judges who trusted us, who believe us, and thanks to our intermediaries, and thanks to our clients who brought us to this level, and thanks to all of you.
Congratulations again to AXA Gulf. A brand new category, the next award is for TPA of the Year. This award is for the operation that has demonstrated the most leadership in providing efficient and effective third-party administration services to help health insurers improve health outcomes whilst controlling claim costs during the qualifying period. The finalists are Aetna Global Benefits Limited, GlobeMed Group, and NextCare. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Waleed Jinadri, former head, Insurance Control Commission, Ministry of Economy and Trade, Lebanon.
Good evening. Judges picked the winner for this brand new category for its efficient and cost-effective healthcare services in response to the needs of the market. What stood out in the judges' eyes was its innovative systems and processes, whereby providers can not only process claims in real time, but also capture repetitive claims and flag them for review, thus combating fraud, waste, and abuse. Ladies and gentlemen, GlobeMed is a deserving winner of the inaugural Third-Party Administration of the Year award.
To accept the award, please welcome Mr. Waleed Halasu, Regional Vice President, GlobeMed Group.
I would like to thank the members of the jury, of course the employees of GlobeMed, and I would like to say that we're very proud to win this award, especially that 2016 will be our 25th anniversary. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to GlobeMed. The next award is for Family Takaful Company of the Year, sponsored by Hanover Re. This award is for the operation that has generated the most constructive, efficient, and effective Sharia-compliant products and quality service to meet the financial risks of individuals and families in any market around the world. The finalists are Qatar Islamic Insurance Company, Sub Takaful, and Salama Family Takaful. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Mohammed Akub, CEO, Hanover Takaful.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In the category Family Takaful Company of the Year, the winner caught the judges' attention for its diverse range of individual and group products, together with its innovative means of enhancing customer reach. It benchmarks its products, product features, pricing, and services against the standards of the multinational conventional insurers and played an instrumental role in spreading family takaful in the UAE. The deserving winner of the Family Takaful Company of the Year goes to Salama Family Takaful.
To accept the award, please welcome Mr. Noel De Mello, General Manager, Salama Family Takaful.
Thank you to the organizers and the jury members for recognizing the efforts the Salama family Takaful has been putting in year over year. I must also thank our employees at the table there, guys. And for those who are not here also, a sincere thank to our partners without whom we would not be able to succeed, be it our distributors, be it our Takaful partners, be it our fund managers, or be it even our vendors on the IT side. So once again, thank you very much for this award, and we hope we'll be able to keep up the name. Thank you.
Well done to Salama. The next award is for General Takaful Company of the Year, sponsored by Emirates Re. This award is presented to the operation that has the most enhancing range of Sharia-compliant products and quality of services to meet the risks of individuals and businesses in any market around the world. The finalists are Al-Hilal Takaful, Al-Madina Takaful, and Qatar Islamic Insurance Company. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Mohammed El Dashish, CEO, Emirates Takaful.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. What sets this year's winner apart as the General Takaful Company of the Year is its successful performance and the market leadership since its conversion to a Takaful provider. Judges were particularly impressed by how the company transformed its entire business to Takaful, becoming the first operational and profitable Takaful provider in its market, as well as how it engaged with decision makers to facilitate Takaful education, exchange information, and inspire innovation and leadership through collaboration. For this and more, the General Takaful Company of the Year is awarded to Al-Madina Takaful.
Here to accept the award, please welcome Mr. Gautam Datta, CEO, Al-Madina Takaful.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much to the organizers, to the judges for this vote of confidence. First and foremost, I accept this award on behalf of my team members, of all our stakeholders who have actually driven our way to where we are today. And obviously, it's a journey, and it definitely is a big boost in our encouraging us to move forward and move ahead. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Congratulations to Al-Madina Takaful. The 7th award is for Educational and Training Initiative of the Year, sponsored by Trust Re. This award recognizes outstanding and continuous educational and training service to the insurance and reinsurance industry. The finalists are the Bahrain Institute of Banking and Finance, the Jordan Insurance Federation, and the Arab Insurance Institute. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Romil Tabaja, Deputy CEO, Trust Re.
Good evening. The winner was picked in particular for how its courses aimed at building stronger practical skills rather than purely theoretical knowledge. Accessible throughout the MENA region, judges were impressed by how it listened to clients and conducted research to stay in touch with market needs. It stood out also for how its portfolio rapidly expanded to include customized programs, which have been praised for their original approach, both in content and structure. The Educational and Training Initiative Award goes to the Arab Insurance Institute.
Ladies and gentlemen, to accept the award, please welcome Mr. Khalid Abu Nahil, board member, the Arab Insurance Institute.
Thank you very much, organizers, judges. Thanks to the Arab insurance companies. This project for the Arab Insurance Institute brought up by the insurance companies in this area. It was a dream for 30 years and becoming a reality, and launched its products and training solutions for the young and the new generation that are coming to this field. We believe that knowledge mixed or brought bound by a practical experience will improve the industry performance. And we know that the challenge is so big ahead of us. It's not about winning, it's about the challenges that we all participate together to overcome and succeed. Thank you very much.
Well done to the Arab Insurance Institute. We now present the award for the Innovation of the Year, sponsored by Middle East Insurance Review. This award is for the operation that has generated the most innovative approach to a significant business area with real impact on the market or business. The finalists are National Health Insurance Company, Daman, NextCare, and Oman Insurance Company. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Mark Cooper, General Representative, Middle East, Lloyds, Dubai.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This year's winner impressed the judges for its unique platform aimed at reducing the incidence and severity of lifestyle diseases through HR-led awareness campaigns, identifying the HR manager as the guardian of corporate health. The judging panel also gave credit for how this led to better health and productivity, lower utilization rates and premiums, and lower healthcare and associated societal costs for citizens, residents, companies, and the nation at large. For Healthcare Guardian, the Innovation of the Year award goes to a repeat winner, National Health Insurance Company, Daman.
Here to accept the award, please welcome Dr. Sven Rohe, Chief Commercial Officer, National Health Insurance Company, Daman.
Wow, that's really breathtaking that we could even defend the title from last year. I really feel very, very privileged. I think it's a strong testimonial that we are on a good path to actually define the health insurance a little bit different, looking into a holistic approach. I would like to thank the jury for the continued support in motivating us going this road. Thank you very much.
Well done, National Health Insurance Company, Daman. The award for Service Provider of the Year is next and is sponsored by Zurich. This award is presented to the operation that has helped enhance the stability and growth of the MIIA insurance industry by offering services in an exemplary manner. The finalists, ladies and gentlemen, are Arab Insurance Group, First Gulf Bank, and Milliman. To present the award, please welcome Dr. Brian Riley, CEO, Middle East Zurich Insurance Company.
Whoa. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The deserving winner this year was picked by the judges for its commitment and dedication to providing the highest quality consultancy services to the insurance industry. It has continued to educate the industry on the need for quality actuarial input and sound risk management, thus increasing actuarial services in the region. I'm delighted to say that the service provider, once again, and there's a hint, ladies and gentlemen, is Milliman, Middle East.
Here to accept the award, please welcome Mr. Safdar Jafar, Managing Director and Consulting Actuary, Middle East and Africa, Milliman.
Thank you very much. It's a real delight that the industry recognizes the actuarial profession and Milliman for contributing to the insurance and reinsurance industry. I would like to thank the jury for having recognized us in the second consecutive year. I would like to thank our clients, without whom this opportunity would not have arisen, and more importantly, the staff members and the consultants from Milliman. Thank you all very much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Milliman. Next up, another brand new category is the Corporate Risk Manager of the Year Award, sponsored by AIG. This award is for the individual who has shown proficiency and creativity in enhancing the company's risk management and/or contributed to the development of the risk management profession in MIIA during the qualifying period. The finalists are Mr. Ashish Jain, Qatar Airways, Mr. Bob Sahmi, Dana Gas, and Mr. Mustafa Ramzi El Manoufi, Emirates Nuclear Energy Corporation. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Sami Sayeg, Global Property Executive, MIIA Large Limits Executive, MIIA AIG.
Good evening. An exciting new category. The winner stood out for how he was instrumental in rolling out the enterprise risk management framework within his organization, including group, business units, and central functions. Full integration took place between these functions under his leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, the inaugural winner of the Corporate Risk Manager of the Year category is Mr. Bob Sahmi of Dana Gas.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bob Sahmi.
First of all, thank you to the judges and the jury for this award. The life of a corporate risk manager is a very lonely one. I didn't see this coming. This was an opportunity. So thank you for everybody, and thank you for all the other corporate risk managers and risk managers represented here. Thank you.
Congratulations to Mr. Sahmi. Law Firm of the Year is next. This award is given to the company which has done the most to provide outstanding legal service to the MIIA insurance industry. The finalists are Clyde & Co., Hallman, Fenwick, Willen, Middle East, and Kennedy's. To announce the winner, please welcome Dr. Adil Munir, Secretary General, FAIR.
Good evening. The winner clinched the award for its in-depth knowledge and understanding of the insurance market, based on 25 years of experience in the Middle East. Judges took notice of how it demonstrated its commitment to the regional insurance industry by updates and information on key developments, providing advice on regulatory changes as well as its pro bono activity. A worthy winner, the law firm of the year is Holmick Van Wyck Williams.
Here to accept the award, please welcome Mr. Samuel Wakili, partner, Hallman, Fenwick, Willen, Middle East.
Well, thank you for the organisers. Thank you for the judging panel. Thank you for all of our supporters. And most of all, thank you for all the employees. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to Hallman, Fenwick, Willen, Middle East. The next award is for Broker of the Year. This award is given to the company which has done the most to add significant value to the insurance process in the course of generating new business and helping clients meet their protection and risk management needs. The finalists are Aon Middle East, JLT Insure Direct, and Nexus Insurance Brokers. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Farid Lutfi, Secretary General, Emirates Insurance Association.
People usually put glasses on, I take them off. What set this company apart is leadership in providing broking services, customer centricity, and a strong financial performance. It has one of the highest ratios of staff to sales in the market, ensuring that it provides excellent services to clients. And in the 12th month during the qualifying period, it managed to add an impressive, and really it is impressive, 4,320 clients to their portfolio. The Broker of the Year is none other than Nexus Insurance Brokers.
To accept the award, please welcome Ms. Samira Nojumi, Marketing Director, Nexus.
Good evening. Thank you to all the distinguished judges and guests. On behalf of everybody at Nexus, I would like to tell you how grateful and absolutely delighted we are to be honored with this accolade. I wish to express our appreciation not just for the award, but also to the Middle East Insurance Review for organizing this prestigious event that honors those of us who strive to raise the standard of service in our industry. I want to assure those that voted for us that we will continue in our endeavors, so thank you again for this recognition.
Congratulations, Nexus. Next, we present the Reinsurance Broker of the Year award. This award is given to the reinsurance broker that has added the most significant value to the reinsurance process in the course of generating new business and helping insurers meet their reinsurance needs. The finalists are ACE, Shadid Re, and UIB DIFC Limited. To present the award, please welcome Dr. Basil Hindawi, Chairman, CEO, DIFC Insurance Association.
Good evening. This company takes the title of Reinsurance Broker of the Year for demonstrating market leadership through innovative services to insurers and reinsurers. It embraces quality over quantity, and its goals and strategies are focused on the long term, helping it to maintain sustainable developments and profits. The Reinsurance Broker of the Year award goes to Shadid Re.
To accept the award, please welcome Mr. Joseph Fadul, Executive Director, Shadid Re.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank everyone who is present here with us tonight. It's always good to receive an award. For Shadid, we look at it as a challenge. We've set the bar high, and we'll work hard, and we'll run the extra mile to always meet our clients' needs. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to Shadid Re. The next award is for Rita Kaful Company of the Year, sponsored by Tejas. This award is given to the company that has the most enhanced stability and security of the Rita Kaful industry in an exemplary manner, promoting end-to-end Sharia compliance. The finalists are Africa Rita Kaful Company, Emirates Rita Kaful Limited, and Hanover Rita Kaful. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Prasanna Sishchalam, CEO, Tejas.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A hotly contested category, the winner clinched the Takaful Company of the Year award for its unwavering commitment to the development of the Takaful industry and strict Sharia compliance. One of the largest Takaful operators worldwide, a clear differentiator is its highly streamlined claims settlement process, which strives to settle claims in a timely way, maximizing operational efficiency while minimizing costs. The Takaful Company of the Year award goes to Hanover Re.
Ladies and gentlemen, to receive the award, please welcome Mr. Mohammed Akub, CEO, Hanover Rita Kaful.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to the judges. Thank you, Middle East Insurance Review. And most importantly, thank you to many of our clients who I see tonight at this beautiful function, and also to the reinsurance intermediaries who've helped us to gain this position. Thank you very much, and hope we can continue to provide the service in the re-takaful industry for the betterment of the industry. Thank you very much.
Well done to Hanover Ritakaful. Ladies and gentlemen, we now bring you to the penultimate award of the evening, the Reinsurance Company of the Year, sponsored by Shadid Re. This award is given to the reinsurer for most enhancing the stability and security of the MENA reinsurance industry in an exemplary manner. The finalists are Hanover Re Bahrain Branch, RGA Reinsurance Company Middle East, and Zurich Middle East. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Joseph Fadul, Executive Director, Shadid Re.
Good evening again. Its unsurpassed market knowledge, strong underwriting discipline, product innovation, and quality service have helped it to win the Reinsurer of the Year award. The judges were impressed with this reinsurer's understandings of the market needs as a result of its local presence and the local surveys it has conducted. The Reinsurance Company of the Year goes to RGA.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Ashraf Al-Azuni, Managing
Mabruk.
Director, Middle East, RGA Reinsurance Company.
Good evening again. I would like to thank the Middle East insurance industry for this award, the organizers and the judges for selecting us. It's a great honor and it's a great responsibility at the same time. Puts a lot of pressure on us to deliver the excellence and even exceed the expectations whenever we have done so far. I would like to dedicate this to the team. I mean, you've done an amazing job. It was not possible without you guys. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Well done, RGA. The finale award for the evening is the Lifetime Achievement Award, sponsored by ARIG. This award recognizes the person who has made the most outstanding individual contribution to the MENA insurance or reinsurance industry for the period under review. To present this award, please welcome Mr. Yasser Al-Bahana, CEO ARIG.
We have to leave you in suspense till the last one. Wow. Okay. So, the Lifetime Achievement Award for his unstinting contribution to the insurance sector in the Middle East for over 50 years. The judges recognized this industry veteran as Lifetime Achievement winner. He represents the voice of the Arab insurance industry through his active networking in GAIF. Today, GAIF has more than 320 member companies, almost double the number when he took over as Secretary General. Ever the visionary, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Abdel Khaliq Raouf.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Abdul Khaliq R. Khalil.
Good evening to all of you. On behalf of Arab Insurance Federation, I want to thank the organizer, especially my friend Mr. Sivan. I'm thankful to anyone or anybody nominate my name for this event, and a special thanks for the Committee of Judging to select my name. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Mr. Abdul Khalik, for the Lifetime Achievement Award. Ladies and gentlemen, the second Middle East Insurance Industry Awards has come to an end. Please give another round of applause for all our winners tonight. And of course, not to forget, many thanks to our generous sponsors and to all our distinguished judges. We have prepared a special magazine with information on all the winners, and this will be given to you at your tables shortly. Before we adjourn, could I ask all the winners to please return to the stage for some group photographs? Thank you all very much for coming. Whilst the awards ceremony is over, the evening of celebration still continues. Please stay and enjoy the drinks and company of your fellow industry colleagues. We wish you all very best for a successful 2016 and hope to see you all again at next year's awards. Thank you and good night.
Well, it's exciting. It was a little unexpected, but I guess you always hope when you're shortlisted. And, you know, considering that we had traveled a pretty unique journey in the course of transformation from convention to takaful. So we were hopeful that maybe that would count for something. So that being validated was definitely exciting. Yeah, and I think the whole thing goes for the team because everyone in the company put in a lot of effort in making this change. And I think in some ways it's also to the Omani market because this was a first company. So I think, yeah, it is exciting.
The Middle East Award is for recognized effort from some companies, and it is being celebrated and recognized in the industry. In my view, it does affect others to perform better and be recognized. At the end, it's not the winning by any individual company, but the winning of the whole industry as a whole.
Thank you very much. I think the awards really recognizes the hard work of corporate risk managers in many organizations worldwide. Risk management is a journey. It's not the destination. And the journey has many steps to it. And I recognize that there are many risk managers out there who are working endlessly and tirelessly to support organizations. And I wish them well as well for the future. And thank you for the award itself.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I said in my few words in the hall that this is on behalf of Arab Insurance Federation. I want to thank Mr. Sivan for his efforts, for his supporting the Middle East Insurance and Reinsurance Company and all the Arab insurance and reinsurance companies. My thankful, as I said before, to any company or any person who nominate my name, and also my thankful to the judging committee whom they select my name. So really I am so happy for this occasion, and my thankful to all of you, and thank you very much.
About receiving the awards, the way everyone, when they receive the award, it's a recognition for the efforts that you do. So definitely you have to look at it positively. On the same time, it's a challenge to meet the expectation of your clients regularly. As far as CG3 are concerned, as I said in my speech, we've set the bar high, and we will be competing on the service, and we'll always run the extra mile to meet that expectation.
I mean, we're very happy, very grateful. It's a recognition for 25 years of hard work from everybody at GlobeMed. and the reach that we have been able to get in 14 countries. And I think this is a great recognition that we are very grateful for. We thank the juries, we thank the employees, and I mean, we're very happy.
Yeah, it's a real delight that we won this award a second time in a row. I think one is the fact that our organization has been recognized, but more importantly, I think it's the actuarial profession that has been recognized in this part of the world. I mean, we started our practice 5-6 years ago. Nobody knew what an actuary is. Today, I think companies see the value actuaries add to the organization. That, to me, is the biggest delight, the fact that we have been recognized in that context. It's a real delight, and I'm glad that people are seeing the benefits of actuarial profession in this region.
Well, in Salama Family Takaful, it's the second time we have actually entered into any competition of this nature. And the first time was last year, which we didn't win, and the second time was this year. We don't apply for any other competitions because of the fact that we feel that they are unbiased. This is the only one that we feel is unbiased. So we applied for this, and obviously we're very glad that we have won this award. More importantly, I think it also gives a recognition to the Takaful industry, where most people here in the Middle East look at the Takaful industry and look down upon us. So when a family Takaful company such as Salama is able to compete with the multinationals, it actually raises the bar, and people start looking at family Takaful with a different light. So I'm hoping that there'll be more family Takaful companies doing much better in the future, and alongside with them, that we can raise this industry to a higher level.
Genuinely honoured.
Of course.
A little bit surprised. I'm very grateful for my colleagues and partners and all the sponsors that have supported us. So.